Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ibrahim, and today we will be discussing the topic statistics. And as you all know, the channel teaching by SM, and we are making these videos. One intention is that for the first 6 months, all the revenue generated will be donated for the Palestinian people. So I would request all the viewers to kindly support our cause and like our channel and get advantage. See all the videos. Inshallah, you'll get benefit out of it. Okay, so starting with the first question, that is question number 31. There's mathematics 0580 P2, right? Statistics. So 31 question, these are the masses in kg of 12 parcels. We have 12 parcels over here, right? Complete the stem and leaf diagram for the 12 parcels. And the key over here is 03 means 0.3 kg. So starting from with ascending order, 0.3 is done, 0.4 is done. Okay, noting down the other masses, right? So 0.7, 0.8 is over here. So 0.7, 0.8. And there's no other zero number data over here. Okay, now we'll see 1. So 1.1 we can see, 1.1 we can see. So 1.1, 1.1, then 1.2, 1.2. Okay, 2 more. And then we have 1.7, 1.8. Right, now remaining is 2.1, 2.3. So 2, 2.1, 2.3. Second part is find the median. When we are finding out median, we should see that the data we are having is of even number or odd number. Since we have 12 parcels, 12 parcels means it's an even data number. So the formula for that is n upon 2th term plus n plus 2 upon 2th term upon 2. So we all know that 12 parcels means 12 upon 2 is 6. 12 upon 2 is 6, and 12 plus 2, 14 upon 2 is 7. So 6th data value plus 7th data value upon 2. And 6th data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 1.1 plus 1.2 upon 2, which is 2.3 upon 2, and that is equal to 1.15. Clear? Moving to question number 32. The scatter diagram over here shows the number of visitors and the total amount spent in thousands of dollars at a zoo on each of 8 days. On each of the 8 days, there are 410 visitors. Find the total amount spent by visitors during this day. So 410 visitors means we will go over here for 410. There's 400, there's 450. So between that is 5 squares. So it means this will be 410. So for 410, we see over here, go vertically, we have this data. And for this data, we have this point. So this is 25, this will be 26, this is 27. So it means 27. And since it's in 1,000, so $27,000. Part B is information for the 9 days shown in the table. Plot this information in the scatter diagram. So 175 number of visitors. That is, there's 150, there's 200. So in between is 175. So 175 and 9. We'll go vertical side. We have this 5 over here. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 175 and 9 be somewhere here. We'll plot it out. Okay. That's clear? Draw a line of best fit. For drawing that, we'll use a scale. And in this scale, we will see that the maximum points can be covered by that line. That is called line of best fit, right? So the maximum number of points, if we see over here, yes, this. Okay, yes. This is the line which is having around maximum number of points. So I'm using it with red pen with dotted line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost 5 points matched. Clear? Okay. Next part is on the 10th day, the total amount spent is $22,000. Estimate the number of visitors on this day. To estimate this, we will be using this line of best fit. So we will put 22,000 point first. We'll see where it lies. So this is 10, this is 10, there's 15, there's 20. So 22 is between 25 and 20, right? this is 20, 21, 22. So 22 first, right? 22. So we have this point, and if I make this vertically, so I'm getting this point. So this is basically, if I see the data, this is 300, this is 350. So in between this 5 squares means 1 is equal to 10. So 300, 320. So that is 320. So 320 visitors with this on this day. Clear? Okay, 33. Daryl records the number of hours in a week 8 people spent exercising. There are 8 data, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find the median. So the first thing is, for finding median, we should have the data arranged in the ascending order. In the previous questions, we had in the stem and leaf diagram, so that was arranged because we have to arrange the data in the stem and leaf diagram. But in this question, we have unarranged data, unordered data. So we'll first arrange it in the ascending order, starting with the lowest one, that is I have 2. So 2 and then 2, okay, 2. After that 3, 4, 5, 4.5 and 5. So 3, 4, 4.5, 5, right? 1.5 is left. Okay, we should start with 1.5. I'm sorry, 1.5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, and the last one is 18. So 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, find the median. So again, it's an even data values. So n upon 2 is 8 upon 2 fourth, and 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 upon 2 is fifth. Adding the fourth and fifth value upon 2. So fourth and fifth is, in my case, is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is this, fifth is this. So 3 plus 4 upon 2, which is 7 upon 2, which is equals to 3.5 hours. Clear? Second part is explain why the mean may not be a suitable average to use. So in this case, we should see why, which sort of data we have. In this data, we can see that there is an uneven or an extreme value other than these 7 values: 4.5, 2, 4, 3, 1.5, 2, and 5, and 18. So that is the reason is that we have a one extreme value, due to which we cannot take a mean to be a pseudo average. Question number 34. The table shows information about the mass of each of 50 children. We have 50 children, frequency, cumulative frequency given. Draw a cumulative frequency diagram to show this information. So we just need to plot these points and then make a curve for cumulative frequency diagram. So this is 20 for 0. This is the main starting point. Second is 22, 7. So 20 and 24. 20, 24. So this is 22. And in 22 we have 7. So it means this is 0, 2. This is 5. This is 6, 7. So this will be 7. Right? 8, 9, 10. Then 24 is 23. So 24 is 23. This is 10, 20, 10. This is 20 and 23. Right? So 24 is 23. Then we have 28, 35. So this is 28. And 28 is 35. 10, 20, 30, 35. 28 is 35. Right? And then we have 32, 43. So 32, 41, 42, 43. So this is 43. Then we have 36, 47. So 36 and 47 over here. 42, 50. So 42 is 50. Clear? Now draw the cumulative frequency diagram. So we have to draw it. So simply we will make a rough sketch starting from here. Clear? Okay. Then you should have to find an estimate of 90th percentile. 90th percentile means I will be multiplying 90 upon 100, means 90 percentage multiplied by the total frequency, that is 50, right? So 0 cuts with 0, 0 cuts with 0, and 9 5s are 45. So I will be using this 45 value from here, and then I will be using this, right? And then from here I will be using this. Clear? Okay. So here we have the value, which is 32, this is 34, this will be 33, and this is 34, this will be 33.2, this will be 30, this is 34, right? And this is 33, so this will be 33.6. Clear? Okay. Going towards 35th question. We have 136 girls and 144 boys, each measure the distance they jump in centimeters. The box and whisker plots to show the distribution of these distances. This is the box and whisker plots. Each child who jumps a distance greater than 160 centimeter gets a certificate. Work out an estimate of the total number of children who get a certificate. We have box and whisker plot, right? So here the interpretation of this is median, and this line is upper quartile and this line is lower quartile. Similarly, this will be median, this will be upper quartile, this will be lower quartile, right? Okay, we want to find out the students who have jumped greater than 160. So here we can see, if I make this line like this is 160, I guess, right? So this line corresponds to 160 for the first box and whisker plot, that is this part, right? So greater than 160 means for the first box and whisker plot, we have 160, greater than 160, the remaining portion from median, right? The portion after median, I could say. So that is the number of data which we are required to calculate. So median is 0.50 and the remaining is also 0.50, so 0.5 multiplied by 136 girls. The upper one is for girls, right? So 136 girls and 144 is for number of boys. So 0.5 into 136. And in the second box and whisker plot, we have the 160 line over here, so which is upper quartile, and the remaining portion other than upper quartile, the upper region, is 25%. So 0.25 multiplied by 144, that is boys. I will be calculating both through calculator, and then we will be adding both up, right? So 0.5 multiplied by 136, that is 68, and 0.25 multiplied by 144, that is 36, and 68 plus 36 is 104. I hope that's clear. Okay, going to question number 36. We have over here, on 10 days Stephen records the number of minutes he has to wait for a train. We have been given this data. Complete the stem and leaf diagram to show this information, and the key is 1 represents 0, 1 represents 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute represents 1 minute. The data other than this we have in ascending order is, after 1 is we have over here 3, and then 4, and then 5, and 5 are repeated. Let me write these. 1 is done, 3 is done over here, right? 1 is done, 3 is done. After that another 3, no, another 4. Okay, after 4 is we have 5 repeated twice, and then we have 8, and then we have after 8 we don't have any zero quantity, then we have to do for 1. So 11 is there and 12 is there. 11 is there, 12 is there. Then we have 23, 24, so 23 and 24. Clear? Find the median. For median we have to again look that how many data values are there. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again even information. So 10 data values means 10 upon 2 is 5th, and 10 plus 2, 12 upon 2 is 6th upon 2. Sum these values and divide by 2. So 5th data is over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th data, and 6th data. It means that 5 plus 8 upon 2, that is 13 upon 2, which is equals to 6.5 minutes. Clear? Question number 37, again a stem and leaf diagram shows the time in minutes it takes of each of 15 people to complete a race. Find the mode, the range, the median. And what the information regarding key 1/6 means 16 minutes. Okay, the most repeated data is called mode, which is to be calculated. Over here, the most repeated data we can see over here is 7, 7, 7, 27, 27, 27. Other than this, we have 16, 16, we have 23, 23, we have 31, 31. But the value which is repeated 3 times is 27. So the mode is 27. What is range? Find the range. Range is the maximum minus minimum. The maximum value is 31. Minimum value is 16. So 31 minus 16 is equals to 15 minutes. For median we have sorry, we have 15 people's data, right? So 15 is odd, and for odd we have just simply add 1 to the number of data values and divide by 2. It means 15 plus 1 16, and 16 upon 2 is 8th value. And what is the 8th value? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 25. Right? Okay. Question number 38. We have for each of 10 people working in the office, the scatter diagram shows their salary and the value of their car. One of these people has a salary of 28,000. Find the value of their car. So 28,000 means there's 20, there's 30, lies between these 5. So it means 1, 22, 24, 26, 28. 28 is this. And if I make a horizontal line towards y-axis, it is 40 and 50. So 42, 44, 46, 48. It means that 48,000 sorry, 42, 46, 48, 40, 46 and 48. So 4,800. So $4,800. Clear? This line has been made over here. 28 means over here. And this is basically the data. Clear? Okay. Another person starts to work in the office. Their salary is 54,000. The value of their car is 6,100. Plot this information on the scatter diagram. So this is 50,000. This is 60. Right? 50 and 60. Between this 54. So 52, 54. 54 is over here. And the car is value is, if I go over here in 61. This is 5, this is 6. 60, this is 6 and this is 7. This is 6, this is 7. So between lies 62, 64, 66. So I want to go towards 61. This is 6,000. This is 6,200 between this. So 54 and 61, right? Okay. What type of correlation is shown in the scatter diagram? As we all can see, the data is like this. So it means that this data is positive. So positive correlation. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 39. Some students record their reaction times. The table shows the results. Frequency of the two data are given. On histogram, the height of the block for the 0 to 6 interval is 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Calculate the height of the block for the 6 to 10, this data. Okay. So for height in the histogram, we use the formula frequency density. which is equals to frequency upon class width. Frequency over here is 18. Class width over here is 6 minus 0, which is 6, which is equals to 3. So since we have, the person is saying in the question that 7.5 centimeter is the data used for the height of this particular interval, so we should see which number should be multiplied by 3 to get 7.5 centimeter height. And 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and over 6 is 1.5 centimeter, which is half. So 3 into 2.5 will be equal to 7.5. So it means that I have to multiply my frequency density value with this factor 2.5 to take out the height of the block 6 to 10. So again, using this formula, frequency density, frequency is 16, and class interval over here is 10 minus 6, which is 4. 16 upon 4 is 4, multiplied by 2.5, which is equals to 10. Clear? Okay. Question number 40. The stem and leaf diagram shows the heights in centimeters of certain plants. Find the median height. Now I have to see what data I have, even or odd. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 means just add 1 and divide by 2. 13 plus 1 is 14. 14 upon 2 is 7th. 7th value is the median. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And what is it? It is representing 10.4 means represent 10.4. So I have 12.2. Right, is the median height. Work out the mean height. For mean height, we have to solve this using the adding all the values. That is 10.4 plus 10.8 plus 11.1 plus 11.3 plus 11.4 plus 11.6 plus 12.2 plus 12.3 plus 12.6 plus 12.9 plus 13.2 plus 13.6 plus 13.9. Adding all and divided by the total values, and the total values are 13, right? So adding all this data in calculator, 10.4 plus 10.8 plus 11.1 plus 11.3 plus 11.4 plus 11.6 plus 12.2 plus 12.3 plus 12.6 plus 12.9 plus 13.2 plus 13.6 plus 13.9. That is 157.3. So we have the total 157.3 divided by 13. We have 12.1. 12.1. That is the mean height. Clear? The last question, the box and whisker plot shows information about the mass in kg of some parcels. Find the mass of the heaviest parcel. So as the box and whisker plot, the interpretation of that, it is, this is mean, this is median, this is upper quartile, and this is lower quartile. This is the minimum value, and this is the maximum value. So over here, the maximum value, which is asked mass of the heaviest parcel, will be the maximum value, which is over here between 3 to 3.5. 3 to 3.5 means this will be 3.1, this will be 3.2, this will be 3.3, right? Okay. Find the interquartile range. For interquartile range, we have upper quartile minus lower quartile. And upper quartile over here is, if I make this up, this is 2.4, and lower quartile over here is 1.5. Let me erase this up so that we can understand it. Okay, this is lower quartile, and the data over here is 1.5. This is 1.75. This is 1.8, 1.85, right? 1.85, and the upper quartile is 2.4. So 2.4 4 minus 1.85 will be the interquartile range. So you'll be using calculator. 2.4 minus 1.85. This is 0.55. This is the interquartile range. I hope that's understood to all of you. So I would again request to all of the viewers to kindly support our cause, like the videos. Inshallah, you'll find more and more better videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.